Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. Learning Korean isn't just about memorizing words and grammar rules. It's about understanding the little things, the small details that make your Korean sound natural, accurate, and confident. So, in this video, we are tackling three tiny Korean words, or to be more precise, adverbs that trip up almost every beginner. 아주, 매우, 너무. These three words all mean something like very or too, but they are used in different situations. And that's where many learners get stuck. So let's break them down and clear up the confusion once and for all. So first, let's talk about 아주. 아주 means very. The English translation of this adverb is very. 아주 is commonly used in both spoken and written Korean, but more frequently you'll find that it is used in spoken, okay, rather than in written Korean. And also it is used in a casual or informal manner, and therefore you'll hear it more often in your daily conversations. So these are the 2 points that you need to remember while using 아주. First is it can be used in both spoken and written Korean, but you can find it that more frequently it is used in spoken form. And you use this adverb in casual or informal situations, that is, in your daily conversations, right? Our daily conversations are usually casual, okay? So let's see how to use 아주 in Korean sentences. My mom is very pretty. 저희 엄마는 아주 예뻐요. My mom, 저희 엄마. To be pretty, 예쁘다. And when you conjugate it in present tense, it is 예뻐요. Now you have to say very pretty. Simple, 아주 예뻐요. Okay, this is how we use it in sentences. Next is, the weather is very cold. 날씨는 아주 좋아요. Weather, 날씨. To be cold, for the weather to be cold. 춥다, in present tense, 추워요. Very cold, 아주 좋아요. So this is how we use 아주 in sentences to mean very. Keep this in mind. Okay. Now let's move ahead and talk about 매우. 매우 also means very, just like 아주. But here's the difference. 매우 is more formal as compared to 아주, which is used in casual and informal situations. So 매우 is more formal and it is mostly used in written Korean. Okay, so you are going to rarely find 매우 being used in spoken Korean. Okay, most of the times it is used in written Korean, and that too in a formal way. It is more common in newspapers, academic writing, or official documents. As I said, that 매우 is more formal, and we all know that in newspapers or in official documents or in various academic writings, formal language is used. Okay, so 매우 is used in these formats, and therefore it is rarely used in daily conversation. Okay, as I said, 아주 is used in daily conversation, but 매우, on the other hand, is very rarely used, right? So 매우 means very, but it is more formal than 아주. It is used in written Korean, and you'll find it rarely used in our daily conversation. Now, let's take a look at the examples to understand how to use it in sentences. The format is same. Okay, just like we made sentences using 아주, the same way you are going to use 매우 in sentences. Let's take a look. That journalist is very smart. 그 기자는 매우 똑똑해요. That 그 journalist 기자. smart 똑똑하다 present tense 똑똑해요. very smart 매우 똑똑해요. Okay, simple. I am very tired right now. 저는 지금 매우 피곤합니다. I is 저는, right now is 지금. To be tired, 피곤하다, and when you're conjugating it in the formal way in present tense, it becomes 피곤합니다. Very tired, 매우 피곤합니다. Okay, so you're getting this? 매우 means very, just like 아주, but they are used in different situations. Okay, now comes the last one and very important one. 너무. 너무 originally carried the meaning of too, usually with a negative nuance. Okay, like something is too difficult or too boring or too tiring. These all phrases, they carry a negative nuance in them, right? Something is not supposed to be that difficult, but it is. It is too difficult, right? I hope you're getting this. So in that case, you use 너무. Okay, the Korean counterpart of too is 너무. However, you'll find that nowadays people use 너무 to mean very in positive sense also. Okay, just like you use 아주 and 매우, 너무 is also used in the same way to mean very. Okay, so 너무 can mean too and 너무 can also mean very depending on the situation. All right, and one more thing. In general, you'll find that in modern usage, 너무 is widely used instead of 아주 or 매우 even for positive meanings. So this is kind of ironical that although 너무 was originally used in a negative way and 아주 and 매우 were used in a positive way, in a positive situation to mean very. But nowadays, you'll find that 너무 is more widely used even for positive meaning compared to 아주 or 매우. Okay, so I hope you keep this in mind. Now, let's take a look at these two examples. In the first one, 너무 is used to mean too with a negative tone. And in the second example, it is being used in a positive way to mean very. Okay, so let's take a look. This problem is too difficult. 이 문제는 너무 어려워요. This, 이 problem, 문제. Difficult, 어렵다. Present tense, 어려워요. Too difficult, 너무 어려워요. Okay, so the subject in the sentence wants to say that the problem that he is solving or dealing with wasn't supposed to be this much difficult, but it is. It is too difficult. 너무 어려워요. Right? I hope you're getting the tone, the negative nuance present in the sentence. Okay? Korean food is very delicious. 한식은 너무 맛있어요. Korean food, 한식. To be delicious, 맛있다. Present tense, 맛있어요. Very delicious in a positive way. 너무 맛있어요. Okay, so here you can get that 너무 is being used in a positive way. I hope you are getting this. 너무 is the most important one. When you compare all three of these adverbs, 아주, 매우, 너무, I believe that 너무 is the most important one because you have to find out when it means a negative way or when it is going to sound positive with the context. Okay, so remember the difference between the three adverbs, and when to use which one. Very important. All right. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. And stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.